The following is brought to you by PaulAkers.net.
Hey everyone, Paul. I'm in Japan and I'm actually working on a farm for about 3 or 4 days harvesting corn. Last night we had a really heavy rain and some wind. It blew down some of the corn, but we have to pick it all by hand. I'm having a great time learning about the work ethic of the Japanese people. It's just like over the top and how industrious they are and how cleverly they think about everything. This is a small farm, about 15 acres. It's been an amazing experience and I can't wait to share with you all the things I'm learning. 20 years of being in Japan and now I'm doing a little farming. It's never ending what you can learn from the Japanese people. So this couple is 65 and 67 years old. This is Mami-san's parents, and they've been working this farm for, I think, the third generation now. And it is absolutely amazing how hard they work. They get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I am absolutely beat by 9 in the morning, and they never stop. 65 and 67, and look at them go. And they make a great meal, and they're jovial, and they have fun, and oh my gosh, it's so incredible. Blue skies and warm, but in this area in Hokkaido, it snows like crazy, and you got to get rid of the crows. So he put some fireworks out. Oh my gosh, he is so funny. We had such a great time. Great healthy food that we're eating. That's all from the garden. 4 o'clock in the morning in Japan, farming, picking corn. A lot of work. Farming is a lot of work. Now I know where Dad got the work ethic, that's for sure, man. So this is small corn Japanese production. So we've got right there our tractor. And then we're cutting the ends off of every one of them, getting them ready for the customer. And then weighing them because some are lighter and heavier than others. And they're very precise about this, even though to me it doesn't matter, but to the Japanese it matters a few grams. So they're very, very picky about this stuff. But we're getting lots of work done. Started at 4 in the morning and I'm exhausted already. And my 67 and 65-year-old compadres, they never stop. They just keep going. I'm such a slackard. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe and pass this on to other people. Let's change the world together. And remember my app, 2 Second Lean Play. It's all free and it has all my books in the audio version as well as some other great authors. You're really going to enjoy it.
Brought to you by PaulAkers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2 Second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2 Second Lean Play app at PaulAkers.net.